swatch of this both lipstick and I'm gonna tell you the texture. And trust me, I've applied this lipstick before. I can tell you that it will last around like 8 hours perfectly. So let's see how these colors will turn out on me. For that, stay tuned with me and watch the video. Hello, welcome back to Amar. Amar is you, Amar is me. So let's spread little love during this Christmas season. Your pal is back with another video. Today I'm gonna review one of the most hyped, one of the most loved lipstick, and which has been talked about a lot and raved about all the beauty bloggers. I have purchased this Smashbox lipstick from Nykaa. These are only available at Nykaa stores as well as their on Nykaa online website. So this is the celebrity edition collection. This collection has been collaborated with Sovita Dhulipia. I hope I pronounced it right. So if you don't know who is Sovita, so she has acted in a Made in Heaven. She's the female lead over there. It's her limited edition collection which has been collaborated by Smashbox. So this is a basic packaging, and so you can see the pictures of these two colors, and this is priced for ₹990 and for a 0.9 ml of product, which is a very good amount. So this collection is exclusively for the Indian market. So I will be showing you this two color. So these two are the shade. I hope you're gonna see it. I know the camera is not doing the justice as the color it is. So what I've got an experience about this lipstick is that when I've eaten a oily food, it will come out from the middle and it will not last around like 4 to 5 hours. भी ये last नहीं करेगा if you apply if you are eating a oily food. So if you don't eat a oily food, तो आराम से it will last around 8 hours and will not आपके लिप्स को बहुत ज़्यादा ड्राई नहीं लगेगा, बहुत पैची नहीं लगेगा. इट विल मतलब आपके लिप में बहुत सॉफ्ट फील आएगा. सो आई हैव अप्लाइड दिस लिपस्टिक एंड आई विल टेल यू दैट इज इट ट्रांसफर प्रूफ और नॉट. सी इट इज ट्रांसफर प्रूफ. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट विद अप्लाइंग द लिपस्टिक. सो आई विल बी अप्लाइंग फर्स्ट द गुलाबी. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई विल बी अप्लाइंग अ लिप बाम सो दैट कि मेरा जो लिप्स है, क्योंकि सब लिक्विड लिपस्टिक ड्राइंग होता है. सो आई एम यूजिंग दी typical Vaseline lip balm. So if you don't have much time in your hand कि आपको ये lip balm को dry out होने का time दो, so if you don't have, what you do, you dab the lip balm. Today I will be applying a little concealer because कि मुझे थोड़ा discoloration है lips में, so in the lower lips. So हल्का सा I am using this concealer, any of your choice. Just dab it. So now I will be lining my lips with the Swiss Beauty matte lip liner. So you have to use a little bit darker lip liner because the color is little light. तो ये थोड़ा wash out लग सकता है Indian skin tone पे. Actually website के Nykaa के website में you can see that they have mentioned कि this is universal color for Indian women. But what I felt is that कि it might wash it down. Like Indian women को जिनको फेयर स्किन टोन है उनको अच्छा लग सकता है, जिनका थोड़ा डार्क स्किन टोन पे उनको बिल्कुल भी इट विल नॉट सूट. I have lined my lips and then I will be filling this color. They have mentioned that it will suit in every skin tone type. So if you are using this color from Smashbox, that is Gulabi, I will always suggest you कि apply a lip liner, because if you don't apply a lip liner ना तो वो मतलब the color will not turn it out its own self. So when you apply this lipstick, आप तुरंत ही लगा लो और वो आपके lips में dry out हो जाती है. So it will not take a 5 second to dry out on your lips, and जो इसका texture है, it's like very smooth and liquid lipstick होता है, वो बहुत ही आपके lips को dry out करता है. It's like feels लगता है कि आपके lips को बहुत वो stretch कर रहा है. But with this lipstick you will not find it out. Like I am not able to feel that my lips are stretching out or feeling very dry because मैंने इसको बहुत अच्छे से lip balm के साथ moisturize कर लिया था अपने lip balm को. So make sure that you apply a proper lip balm, generous amount of lip balm. This color will stand it out in a smoky eyes look, as well as if you are going to an office and if you want to wear a very nude color. So this is the nude color you want to try. So now I will be removing this color. We will be applying little bit of concealer, ज़्यादा नहीं, because वो आपके lips को बहुत dry out कर देगा. Now I will be applying my favorite shade from this collection, which is the hot and dark red color. The shade of this name is Bausi. See, I hope I pronounced it well. This is the color. So those who are searching for a blue tone red color, so this is for them. जैसे कि मुझे I don't like the orange tone के जो reds होते हैं, वो बिल्कुल भी मुझे wash out कर देता है, बिल्कुल भी मुझे मतलब थोड़ा डल लगता है, बहुत ज़्यादा मतलब it does not suit me well. First of all, I will be lining my lips. I'm not here applying any lip liner because dark shade के लिए important हो जाता है कि हम अपने lip को बहुत अच्छे से line करें, okay? So with this tip, you can line your lips perfectly. Like you don't need another lip liner for that. See, I'm not dipping any product. First dip में I'm applying the whole color. Now you can see that how a red can be a game changer and like I love this shade a lot. यहाँ थोड़ा कैमरा में it might look बहुत ज़्यादा bright लग सकता है, but trust me, when you are wearing it, you won't be feeling that like the pop out threads सा नहीं लगेगा, but it's a very like party wear red type of kind of the perfect red जो लोग खोजते हैं ना. This is the color I've already talked about. Again the texture of this also shade is the same because बहुत सारे लिपस्टिक्स में क्या होता है ना, बहुत lighter shade के texture अलग होते हैं, darker shade के texture थोड़ा सा differ करता है. But what I felt that कि दोनों का texture जो है, the light and as well as the darker one has the same texture and it's very lightweight and like ऐसा नहीं है मूजी texture है, but it's ऐसा भी नहीं creamy है. What I felt that कि your lips will feel little softer when you like do this and I love this shade. So with this I've come to the end of this video. I hope you like the swatch of these colors and I hope it suits my skin tone and it will also suit yours if you are a British skin tone or if you are a fair skin tone type. तो ये जो red color है it will suit every skin tone type, but the lighter color है जो कि गुलाबी है, it will not like suit the darker skin tone. With that I am signing off today and don't forget to what? Give a thumbs up and do share and subscribe my channel and till then take care. Bye, love you.
Time that we get by with money we don't know. Pockets empty but hearts are full anyway. Hey, playing like children and love like R and J. You were too good for me, but I wanted you